Hi everyone, Giuliano here. Let's see in this video how to increase the productivity by working with Outlook and Teams. We will see how to share content from Outlook to Teams and vice versa. Okay, let's check it out together. Here I am on my PC and I have Microsoft Teams on the right and Outlook on the left open. Let's see what kind of integration there is between Outlook and Microsoft Teams. The first tip that I want to show you is the ability to drag and drop an email directly in the channel conversation of a team in Microsoft Teams. All you need to do is click on the button New Conversation, and now I can drag and drop this email, for example, that I got from Lydia Holloway. I have even 3 attachments here. Okay, let's start to drag and drop in this area the email. Now I can write something. Check this out, and then I can confirm my message. So I have now the email uploaded here, which is dropped in the Files tab of Microsoft Teams. And here we go. This is the email that I just posted in the channel conversation. There is another way how you can share an email in a channel conversation. In Outlook, in the command bar, there is the button Share to Teams. Let's say that I want to share this email. I will click now on this button and a panel show up, and now I can type in which kind of team I want to share my email. Let's say that I want to share this email in the IT team in the general channel. Then here I can type a message, for example, check this one, and I can decide if include attachments and then share. Now your email is on its way to Teams. Here I am now in the web version of Outlook, just to show you that you have the same experience. If I click on this email and then here on 3 dots, I can do the same as Outlook for Windows. So I can click on Share to Teams, and again I will have this panel. Then I can decide in which channel I want to share it. Let's say service of the IT team. Here I can just type something, hi, check it, and now I can include attachments and then share. There is an important conversation now that I want to share from Teams over email. All I need to do here, click on the 3 dots again, and there is this option available, Share to Outlook. The Outlook panel show up, and here I can now send this conversation as email to Lydia Holloway, for example. Click on send, and here we go. Here I am in the mailbox of Lydia Holloway. I just got this email, and I have here the channel conversation coming from Microsoft Teams. I am back in Outlook for Windows. Now I want to show you another nice feature which involves the instant messaging. Going over Lydia Holloway, a card show up, and here on this icon I can send an instant message to Lydia Holloway. Microsoft Teams is my default instant messages. So if I click on the icon, I have here the Teams message panel that allows me to chat with Lydia. Hi Lydia. Without going on Teams and clicking on chat and then searching for Lydia, I can just open the chat panel going over the name. Okay, we have seen some tips how to increase the productivity in Outlook and Microsoft Teams. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned with my next videos. Put a comment down below if you want to see me cover any other topics in the future. This is also how I build my to-do list for my next videos. I hope to see you next time. Bye.